Women in AI, which is an organization that champions female pioneers of artificial intelligence, is launching Women in AI Awards North America to celebrate women progressing the field of artificial intelligence. The kickoff event will be taking place soon on February 1st of 2022 and will include awards in categories such as AI in Research, AI for Good, and Young Role Model in AI. It's no secret, computer science, and especially artificial intelligence, is disproportionately male, so this is definitely a step in the right direction. Meta, or as lovers of retro tech still call them, Facebook, has unveiled a new hunk of hardware. Technical details available on the internet remain sparse, but AI News reports Meta expects AI Research Supercluster, or RSC, will be 20 times faster than Meta's current V100-based clusters. RSC is also estimated to be 9 times faster at running the NVIDIA Collective Communication Library, or NCCL, and 3 times faster at training large-scale NLP workflows. The RSC is not yet fully operational, but it's already being used for select natural language processing and computer vision models. Are you a gamer? Well, congratulations, because now you're also a 3D artist. Kinda. NVIDIA and Cornell University have unveiled GANCraft, an unsupervised generative model capable of creating semi-realistic scenes using voxel worlds. If you don't know what a voxel world is, just think Minecraft and you're most of the way there. Just think of all those 3D artists who will now be out of a job thanks to the video games they helped create. It's like a Greek tragedy or something. I wouldn't know, I didn't read the book. In all seriousness, it is very exciting to see this level of achievement in an architecture as relatively old as GANs. If you don't know what a GAN is, it stands for Generative Adversarial Network, and it's pretty simple to understand. It's basically 2 neural networks fighting each other for dominance. One is the generator, and the other is the discriminator. The generator will prepare the finest image it can using all of its genius, and the discriminator, who's been trained on only the finest and realest of images, will smack the image aside and spit the generator's eye. Once the generator has received all this negative feedback, it will finally get its head on straight and present a pretty real image to the discriminator, who will accept the image, at which point it's probably pretty good to go, right? In this case, the generator is trying to turn Minecraft into art, which, let's face it, is kind of an uphill battle. It's like cooking with bad ingredients. I think this entire segment has just been a cooking analogy. Whatever. This last story is especially important. MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory have begun using machine learning to provide personalized cancer screenings using a method they call tempo. Mammograms are an effective way to save lives, but false positives and other errors have the potential to cause psychological trauma. Instead of performing a screening at a fixed interval, tempo can advise wait times for individual patients depending on their risk profile. The trade-off between early detection versus the monetary and potential psychological cost of screenings will be different depending on who you are, what your medical history is. The model itself is a policy-based reinforcement learner, which employs a simulation to develop a unique policy for each individual patient. Did I miss something? If so, pop it in the comments and keep learning.